Good morning, everyone. It's a privilege to speak with you today. I want to share a principle that guides everything I do, both professionally and personally. Solutions that work for you. This phrase may seem simple, but it represents a profound commitment. Every plan, every recommendation, every strategy I provide is designed around your needs, your goals, and your unique circumstances. It's not about me, it's about you. Number one, understanding needs. Every family, every business has unique challenges and aspirations. There is no one size fits all solutions in life, especially when it comes to protecting your family, securing your future, or achieving your dreams. Before I can offer a solution, we must first understand your needs. Listening is critical. Observing, asking questions, and truly understanding your priorities allow me to tailor a plan that fits your life perfectly. When solutions are personalized, they don't just work, they empower. They create confidence, clarity, and a path forward that feels achievable and sustainable. Number two, turning trust into action. But solutions alone are not enough. They must be implemented with integrity, diligence, and care. This is where trust comes in. When you trust someone to guide you, your goals can become actionable steps. Trust ensures that the solutions provided are designed with your best interests at heart, not for convenience or profit. In my experience, families and individuals gain peace of mind when they know their solutions are reliable, thoughtful, and truly built for them. Trust fuels action, and action turns solutions into results. Number three, my personal story. This principle is personal for me. As a mother, I think constantly about my daughter's future, her education, her security, her opportunities. Every decision I make, every plan I put in place is designed to work for her. Every solution is built around her needs, not mine. When I work with families, I see that same responsibility. Parents, children, and individuals want guidance they can trust, solutions tailored to their lives that help them achieve their dreams. And just like my daughter, I commit myself to ensuring that every strategy, every recommendation, every plan works for those I serve. Number four, bringing it together. So let's connect those ideas, understanding needs, building trust, and implementing solutions. When solutions are personalized, grounded in trust, and focused on real goals, they become far more than tools. They become pathways to success. They give families confidence, security, and a vision for the future. Every step we take together is aimed at making solutions work, not in theory, but in reality. So I leave you with this. Seek a solutions that fit your unique needs. Place your trust in those who genuinely understand you. And together, turn those solutions into results that strengthen your future. Because when solutions are designed for you and implemented with care and trust, there are no limits to what you can achieve. Solutions that work for you. Let's make them reality today, tomorrow, and always.